You're watching How Leap. Let's see how to change the default phone app on your iPhone for making calls. The iPhone does not allow you to change the system-wide default for the phone app itself. However, you can set default apps for other functions like email and web browsing in iOS 14 and later. For calling, you can set a third-party app like Google Voice or Skype to handle calls from specific contacts or actions. To do this, you must use the Shortcuts app. Open the Shortcuts app and tap the plus plus icon to create a new shortcut. Tap Add Action. Search for and select the Open App action. Tap App and choose your preferred calling app like Google Voice. Tap. Next, name your shortcut, for example, Call with Google Voice, and tap Done. You can now run this shortcut to open your chosen calling app. For deeper integration, you can create a personal automation. In Shortcuts, tap the Automation tab, then Create Personal Automation. Choose a trigger, like when I open an app selecting your Contacts app, add an action to open app and select your preferred dialer. This provides a workaround, but note that tapping a phone number in Safari or Messages will still always open the default iPhone phone app. True default app selection for calling is not supported by iOS. For more simple iPhone tutorials, subscribe to the channel.